This is so silly.
I fucking barrel. Oh fuck.
Hey guys. Hey.
Chris, I can't hear you. It sounds like you're off the map.
Get hit by a car. Yo, sorry, you dipshit.
Hey, but mine was intentional.
Hey,
Yours
Riley,
was not.
I jumped
I
off the
won.
map instantly. It's up to you.
Fish.
Now this is kind of fit and buzz.
You're kind of cooking.
You died to a skill issue. I died to a tactic. We are not the same.
That's my queen. There's
Yeah,
a bunch of
tactical
road boys on the
student
ground.
suicide.
No, tactical suicide is, you know, is a thing in lots of games, like Overwatch.
Oh.
Sure.
I think we need
Well,
more
at least
bombs.
they won them.
Oh no.
Goodbye.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
No, 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 no!
Keep running off the edge.
Goodbye.
What are you doing?
That's
What are you
crazy.
doing?
That's crazy, actually.
What are we doing?
Oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Wait.
Oh no.
Wait,
No.
wait.
No. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Wait, Jonathan, why are you quit walking?
Oh no!
Dude, what the fuck was that?
Goodbye, Riley.
No.
Not like this. Not like this.
Dude, we got fucking the next Navy SEAL over here, bro. Holy fuck. Riley.
Yeah, what are these maneuvers?
Please, no!
Oh no. Oh no.
Fish!
I hit him in the
Get
face.
cooked!
Dude, everyone got hit.
Triple kill! Dude, there's no way. Oh no, 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 no.
Damn. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, you have fun with that.
No way. There's no way. Dude, I'm not gonna get on that. Fuck you, Jack. Honestly, kill yourself. I hope you die of addiction, you little whore.
God damn it, I just jumped off. God damn it.
Drop your address right now.
I sure am being a party animal.
Jonathan. That was so funny. Sloth, don't do it.
I'll smack you, bitch. Don't try me. Oh!
I'm Jackie Chan. Uh oh.
I'm saving us, you fool.
Fuck. No, Jonathan, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Yes!
No!
Yes!
Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Fuck, live.
That was not intentional. I wanted to walk up and kick and tell her.
You put that plunger down.
I'm gonna plunge you. I'm gonna plunge your ass.
Oh please. It's an uncharge. Oh fucking job it, man.
Long
Ow.
live the king.
Oh no. No, 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 no. You let me go. You fucking let me go.
Hey, who threw the fish?
Fuck you, bitch.
Whoever threw that fish, your mom's a hoe.
Oh.
Oh god, dude, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. No.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm crip walking blood. I'm crip walking blood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you can just
I got-
stand there, right?
Yeah.
You know,
I hit the gun and then I
Elijah,
just
you-
possible trap.
Elijah, calm down, calm down.
I'm
Jonathan.
getting angry, bro. I'm
We can
getting
crip,
upset.
Jonathan, we can crip walk together!
Alex,
Gary! fish.
Oh.
Whoever threw that fish, your mom's a fucking hoe.
You're welcome, Riley.
I need to
Oh.
No, Jonathan has the
Oh,
victory.
my
my
God.
Jesus.
I thought
Maybe
I
you
grabbed
guys
one
would
through
have a
it.
chance
It's
if
like,
it
no
wasn't,
way.
you know, just me and the
Come here, Jonathan. You're mine.
Oh my God.
Gary!
Chase.
Contrary to popular belief, moose.
The fucking double, Mo, the fucking double.
Please. 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 Let me up.
Dude, I don't have any more bananas to throw.
I'm
Fuck.
begging. I'm begging. Let me up.
The taser.
You two look like you're about to die.
I was about to die. I still died. Dude, come on.
Pyro
Come
fumble.
on.
Pyro fumble.
Dude, I'm second last 3 rounds in a fucking row, man. I can't.
Pyro fumble.
Kill yourself.
Oh, dude, Pyro.
See? Yeah, that one was personal.
Run!
Gotta be fucking
The
kidding me. Okay, there we
fish.
go.
Yeah! Come back, pussies! You don't have a single win! Fuck you!
So hard.
Yeah! Bitch, you won't think I come over there? Bah!
Alex, no. Alex, no.
I will sacrifice myself for the greater good!
It wouldn't grab on.
Oh, there's no way this game is still going. No, you let me go.
Someone better detonate that fucking bomb, bro, I swear. Bye, Jack! Press
Put
that
it
bitch.
Oh, one of these two wins.
That's the craziest way to go out.
Come on, Riley. I believe in you.
No fucking way.
What the
Why
fuck?
Star. Oh.
Alright, I could really go for a nice steak dinner.
You're on fire.
I'll tell you that much. You're coming with me.
What is this
Bitch.
thing?
Stop bringing the bomb towards me!
Junkrat.
I got lucky.
You've gotta be fucking
God
kidding
damn
me.
Yes! The elixir.
Holy fuck, this game sucks.
I drank the elixir.
The elixir, more like.
My dick's in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, now hang on, guys. Hang on.
Bitch.
What do you?
No, Lost Team has the no stars.
Big shit, Riley.
Gary! Oh my gosh, there's no way, Sloth.
One with the captain. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. No.
Sloth is like, alright guys, let's get Jonathan, and then
No,
does
he's armed.
nothing.
He's armed.
Riley, it's up to you.
And then
Riley,
Jonathan, and then-
you're the chosen one, Riley.
Riley.
Modern Warfare to get sim text every time. Cause like, holy
Riley.
shit, dude.
No! Banana.
Do it, Jonathan. Yes!
No, come on, Riley. Go, Riley.
I believe.
Die.
That's my goat. That's my goat.
Go, Riley. No!
Oh
Dude,
my god,
dude.
What's the goal of this?
Kill.
Just eliminate the other color, Gary. It's like your job.
Oh, I get it. Holy shit, they've got a bomb!
Oh fuck, team kill.
It's good, it's fine.
Bro, that is.
Oh wait,
Well,
I'm blue team.
my brother and Christ, we are literally on the same team.
Well, you've already knocked me out. Oh,
Later, bitch.
I didn't
Oh
knock
my
you
God.
out. What are you talking
Help me.
about?
Help me.
Smash, you did.
We lose.
Grab on,
We
everyone, grab
fucking
on.
lose.
I got my two.
I want a new team.
I got my two. This pyro guy kind of sucks. You know, that's what I'm saying.
Alex, I hope you die. I hope you die in your sleep, and I'll make sure it happens.
I'm going for three. I'm going for three.
Team kill.
Oh my god.
You're mine, bitch. You are mine. You are mine.